trying to get us.
Bro, that is honestly unreal how much power that fucking thing has got. Ow! Ow! This is where Jono died.
Don't be silly.
It hurt my balls, man.
Jono!
Can you hold this still? Can you hold this still?
This is craziness.
I got it. Did you get it back, bro?
Oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing? What up? Guys, that's on here.
A cannon.
Boy, guys, on Jetski. Okay. Yeah, right.
Quick, get out of the way! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh shit! Epic, man!
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Oh my god.